that back turbo.
When I made my first million, I ain't panic. I only drink out this hill. I'm done with Zannies. I bought my mama a crib. I'm outstanding.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys read by the title, in today's video I'm doing a first day of freshman year get ready with me vlog and all that. I didn't want to start it tomorrow, which is the 26th, my actual first day. I didn't want to start it then. I wanted to show you guys me getting my eyebrows done and my hair done. So yeah, right now I'm in the car and I'm about to go get my eyebrows done, and then later on today I'm gonna get my hair done. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I got my eyebrows done. Yo, it low-key hurt. I'm in the beauty supply right now because I have to get hoop earrings, and then that's it. And then we're going home. Okay, I'm home now and I got my eyebrows done. My skin's breaking out really bad, so like it's hard to like show you guys my full up close and face. But I'm gonna be back when I am about to get my hair done. That's around 6ish, 5ish, I don't know. But I'm seeing it's currently like 12 o'clock in the morning and I'm about to get my hair done. So I'm gonna like record a little bit of that. I know it's like so late, but yeah, we gonna go. Okay, so I just got my hair done and this is how it looks. It looks really pretty. It's currently 3 o'clock in the morning and thank you. Yeah, I have 2 hours to sleep, 2 hours and 30 minutes. So I will see you guys in the morning. Peace. Alright, let me tell y'all, it is currently 7:05. My bus comes at 7:30. I woke up trying to record me washing my face and all that, and my phone fell off the tripod and the whole screen shattered, y'all. I don't even have time to be sad right now. I had like a 1-minute mental breakdown, but this vlog must go on. I was planning this all summer, y'all. Honestly, I'm gonna start crying probably after school. Anyways, I woke up late. I was supposed to wake up at 5:40, 5:50ish. I woke up at 6:30. That's fine though, cause I leave early. Later now. It's a long sleeve crop top, a white crop top from 421. This skirt from Romley, and then these sparkly. They're so cute. These sparkly sandals from Primark, and I have to straighten my hair more. Can't even see me, but yeah. But yeah, my sister has to put lashes on me. Oh, that's so bright. My sister has to put some lashes on me, and then I just think I'm gonna go. I got so much to carry, and my book bag doesn't come in until tomorrow, I think. So I have to wear an old book bag. It's whatever though. My phone just cracked. I honestly do not care about a book bag. It's whatever. We're gonna make today a good day. I think.
A few moments later.
Guys, it's the first day of school. I'm about to miss the bus. Over there getting my lashes done. They look cute. Okay, but still. Okay, I really thought I missed the bus. The bus is still in the neighborhood. I'm over here having a whole panic attack. We're going to our first period class.
It's English, right? Yeah.
We're going to gym.
Yeah, we're going to gym. We were just in English for 90 minutes.
So you have a YouTube channel. Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, we're on the steps, but we just went to gym and then health, and now we're going to Mac. That's it. Yeah.
You should follow me at yearrr_.
Right now we're in integrated math. I don't like any of my classes.
Came from math. It was like the worst class. It was so boring. Like he talked so much, but I might have to get under here. We're about to go to lunch. I'm so hungry. We have the last lunch. Okay, we're leaving now, but I'm staying after because I have volleyball practice. And today was, I'm gonna tell you guys when I get home, but
Girl, today was uneventful. They was just like,
yeah,
like we just come and
I want to take pictures. I'm walking home from practice right now, and I'm just give you a rerun of my first day of high school. Well, it was good. I woke up late. The morning was kind of like rough, but like it was fine. I ain't let that get to me. Don't mind the noise, by the way. I'm on the like sidewalk. But yeah. So my first period was nice. It's my favorite period out of all of them. Second one, I'm not gonna change it. Just whatever. I'm gonna just keep it. It's fine. It's only 2 market periods. Then my whole schedule gets switched. The next one is math, and I know I could be in a higher class than that, so I want to get out ASAP. I'm so serious. And at that, the teacher is so boring. Like, it's probably just because it's the first day, and he was like trying to go over everything. But oh my gosh, he was talking so much. It was nonstop. It was like so constant, yo. Like, I was trying not to fall asleep. I switched my math class, then I'm gonna have to switch my lunch. And as you guys saw by the little clip I showed you earlier, my lunch is like pretty fun. Everybody has that lunch. It's normally full of freshmen. And the lunch that I'll probably be moving to is A lunch, and that's with a lot of seniors. But we're gonna see. I just really don't want to be in that math class. But yeah, okay guys, this wraps up my first day of high school vlog. It's probably gonna be a lengthy vlog since I started it yesterday. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below for more videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. And